They call him the sauce boss. And of course, you know, him can't come here and don't perform, so he's going to do that in a little bit. But since he's so saucy, I'm sure he won't mind sitting in the hot seat before he takes the smile stage. Good morning. Kemar, icon in the building.
Morning, morning, morning.
All right, I don't want to get in no trouble, right?
This seat is not hot. I should point.
It's not hot, it's cold.
We don't look like we're not training for the Winter Olympics.
We have to keep the equipment cool and the host cool, so I have to make sure it's cool. But guess what? The seats will warm up. So my first question to you is for all the ladies out there.
All right.
Describe your perfect date.
Perfect date? Anywhere, as long as we're connected.
I look smarty. Just ask you, because if it look like you're putting out an application.
No.
Because
anywhere, as long as we're connected. So we can have a date. Our first date can be in a car. Our first date can be a picnic. It don't matter, as long as we connect, as long as we feel like we're supposed to be there, then why not?
Well, look at you. Okay, what is your type? Do you have a type?
I don't have a type. We just have a connect.
You know, so on and truth, on love talk and truth, you know, talk about
no, for real though.
Me no say. There are some things that you like in a woman and some things that you don't like. And that is everybody. It's what you're attracted to, not true. And certainly, those things are going to be common. So you can't tell me say you don't have a type.
No, I really don't have a type.
Okay.
I can vividly remember everybody I date.
And they're all different.
They're all different.
So you just like every
So
aspect.
it's just personality I really go for.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right. So you like... Hey, him like them saucy doing, so. Okay, jump in their business a little bit now.
Yeah.
Don't tell us the person, but what's the worst date you've ever been on?
Worst date? I doubt it manifests in a date. We were just on our way to somewhere. And I was like, yo, this person attitude just make them so ugly.
Dirty attitude.
Yeah.
Dirty.
Dirty
You
style.
don't like a dirty attitude.
Yeah. And I feel like we have a lot of that in today's day and age.
Yeah.
So you see somebody...
them look attractive.
Look attractive, and getting to know them, it's not so attractive.
You ever meet somebody, you see them and they're very, very nice looking, and then all of a sudden, because them personality nasty, them start look ugly to you, like literally the features start looking ugly.
Exactly, so you start find little things like, you have so much ear for your foot.
Yeah, all of them look at something that start pop up.
You're fine, yeah. But, I mean, I think we all had one of those.
Yeah, I'm definitely sure of that. All right. Give me an imitation of what your heartbeat should sound like when you get your first kiss on a date.
Ooh.
Go boop. Yeah, go boop.
No, I mean, it's a rushing feeling.
Oh, so it stop, go boop, 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 boop. It just go boop.
Yeah, it's a rushing feeling. So it's not nothing where, you know, the typical heartbeat.
It just go boop. It run away.
Yeah. So, because you know when you kiss somebody that you're really connected to, or you're really into, you just feel nervous. And the man I can agree to. On what I go on like on the toe.
You feel nervous when you get kissed from people. Grandpa, a long time since you get a first kiss. But may I ask you, when you did kiss her, did you feel nervous? See, him never nervous.
Him never nervous. Him never really
and
like
him married her and him have her married for decades, so him's a tough.
No, back in the days, then the kiss her.
Grandpa!
The kiss are kind of different.
How are you dealing so? Mine, we'll take the camera off for you.
Listen to it. I used to choose back in the days. In our modern day now, we kiss.
Okay, I heard you.
Kiss passionately.
All right. Next one. Complete this sentence. I will do... I remember saying it on TV, right? I will do anything for her except
anything against my morals.
All right, I like that.
Yeah.
I like that. Anything that's against your morals.
Yeah, and if that special person should know.
I wouldn't push you to do that. I wouldn't
exactly.
Ask. He's a good somebody so far.
I'm great.
But what's the first thing you pay attention to when you meet a girl for the first time?
Very, very first time?
Yeah.
Hygiene.
Of course.
Yeah. So.
Smell good.
Yeah. And I'm big on toes. Yeah. Toe them up for nice. So, I remember one time I even met somebody and because them told me just nobody like them.
All right. It's a good thing I'm taking, girl, but for now I'll just cover me.
No, because your toes are fine details. People feel like they can just overlook that and do them ear and do them face. No, your toe have to do.
All right. Next question. What song would you sing? By the way, I'm uncomfortable. What song would you sing for the perfect girl?
These arms are mine.
These arms of mine. Pop. Wait, them young boy are in the old music these days, first flawless and now icon. All right, fam. Big up on yourself. So, because I want to fix my foot, I'm going to ask you to go and do your performance so I can take my foot out of the chair, guys. No further. And, of course, we have to tell you, congrats on landing the #1 spot on the Jamaica Music Countdown.
I appreciate it.
Oh my gosh. He's going to take us to the break with Wanna Love, dating icon, so I can take my foot out of the seat.
I'm playing with you.
Yeah. Tell them this, tell them anywhere I go, the girl them love me. Like a 4-leaf club, I'm in luck, yeah. Tell you how much girl them would that judge me. Just know say the thing well up there. Top class, and me full of top sauce. Me cologne it a kick me no green like grass. Girl walk past, girl drop, and I me them girl I end us. Oh me so clean, so saucy. Inna me tees and me jeans so saucy. Every kick some my beat so saucy. Call me king inna the street, come me saucy. Oh me so clean, so saucy. Inna me tees and me jeans so saucy. Every kick some my beat so saucy. Call me king inna the street, come me saucy. This a whole year sauce and nothing can. I may have a couple girl when me drip on. Girl a follow me up on the Ingram. She and her friend a chat me a go live long. Exam time we can't feel no. Any girl feeling them a say we so. Trouble fly like bird time, them I invest and I welcome me to them. Oh me so clean, so saucy. Inna me tees and me jeans so saucy. Every kick some my beat so saucy. Call me king inna the street, come me saucy. Oh me so clean, so saucy. Inna me tees and me jeans so saucy. Every kick some my beat so saucy. Call me king inna the street, come me saucy. Saucy, yeah, me saucy. Girl smell the cologne upon my body. When me mix up the Gucci with Versace. Girl, them prefer me. Call me the sauce boss, me no two talk. Some boy that's a shot me on me darkest. Girl, and I pray for relation. Oh, me so clean, so saucy. Inna me tees and me jeans so saucy. Every kick some my beat so saucy. Call me king inna the street, come me saucy. Oh, me so clean, so saucy. Inna me tees and me jeans so saucy. Every kick some my beat so saucy. Call me king inna the street, come me saucy. Anywhere I go, the girl will love me. Like a 4-leaf club, I'm in luck, yeah. Tell you how much girl would that judge me. Just know say the thing well up there.